Hello students. Today we are going to start with class 10th mathematics. In that in particular we are going to take CBSE board mathematics chapter 1 real numbers. Exercise 1.1. Question 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So in this question we have to find HCF, that is highest common factor of 135 and 225, by using Euclid's division algorithm. Solution. First we are going to see which one is greater. So since 225 is greater than 135, apply division lemma to 135 and 225. So we are going to divide. So we are going to take greater number as dividend, smaller number as divisor. So we have divided. So here 225 is dividend, 135 is divisor, 1 is quotient, and 90 is remainder. We have to write this in the form of division lemma. So dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 225, divisor is 135, multiplied by quotient is 1, plus remainder is 90. So we are going to take second step because remainder is not equal to 0. So since the remainder is not equal to remainder 90, which is not equal to 0, apply division lemma to 135 and 90. From where we have taken this 135, 90? From the previous step, that is divisor and remainder. So again we are going to take division of this. What we are going to do? We are going to take greater number inside and divide. So again we are going to write this in the form of division lemma, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Again you can see that remainder is not equal to 0, it is 45. So we are going to take third step. Since the remainder 45 is not equal to 0, apply division lemma to 90 and 45. This 90 and 45 are the divisor and remainder from the previous step. Again we are going to take greater number inside and divide it. So here you can see that remainder is 0. So we are going to write this in the form of division lemma, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. As remainder is 0, so our procedure stops. So here 45. From where we have taken this 45? From this step. 45 is the divisor of last step. 45 is the HCF of 225 and 135. So this is our solution. We have a note here that 45 is HCF of 225 and 135. Now from second step, 45 is also HCF of 135 and 90. This we have taken from second step. And 135 and 90 are the dividend and divisor of that step. Again, 45 is also HCF of 90 and 45. This we have taken from third step. And this 90 is particularly dividend and 45 is divisor of that respective step. Thank you.